guys, welcome back to BMW Fanatic. In this video, we're going to talk about adding Bluetooth audio to your older BMW navigation system that does not have it from BMW. Now, before I get into the great piece of this video, but you need to stay around for another 30 seconds so that way we can get to the heart of this video. Just real quick, the Bluetooth audio streaming device, if you guys have never seen that video, I'll post it up here at the top. I give you a sound clip of it, but still stay on this video. You can watch that here in a second. It's great audio sound. It connects right to your USB and then to aux. Not to worry if you do not have a BMW USB outlet down here in your armrest thing. Doesn't matter. All it needs to do is power it, because this powers the Bluetooth signal. I've tested it with a cigarette to USB adapter. That works. I've tested it here in this car, so it still connects. There's no issues whatsoever. So the heart of this video, in the next 72 hours, I need you guys to guess a number from 0 to 200 down in the comment section below. The first two people that get closest to the number, I'm going to send you guys one of these. Now you can only guess one time. Take a second, right? Figure out what number you want to do, put it in there, and then that's it. Now, not to worry, I will be doing a bigger prize giveaway at the end of May, going into June. Just kind of like what I referenced in my other video as we come to 30,000 subscribers, which thank you everyone for watching those videos and subscribing and commenting and sharing. That video will still come, so not to worry. This is just a little sidebar video, so that way I could get some of these Bluetooth audio devices out there for you guys. Great audio sounding. You know, I've had this one for almost 4 years. It auto connects when you get into the car. If you have an iPhone, you can call Siri to change the song, like on Pandora. So you have your hands free. If you have an Apple Watch, you go from there as well. So, you know, that's something nice. Other than that, no complaints whatsoever. Great device for the money, of course, and great sounding. And guys, it's definitely worth it. Well, it's easy as that. Comment section below. Guess the number 0 to 200. Best of luck, and looking forward to sending two of you guys one of these very, very soon. Well, guys, that does it for today. Please be sure to check out my other BMW DIY videos, informational videos, how-tos, and all that right here on my channel. And then thanks again. Please be sure to subscribe, like this video, and of course, comment below. Best of luck, and we'll be chatting soon.